Hello seekers of the market's will. Welcome back to Will of the Market. Today, we're spotlighting a stock that's hotter than a lightsaber, NuScale Power, ticker SMR. Let's power up and see what's going on. Who is NuScale? First things first, NuScale Power is an American company that builds small modular nuclear reactors, or SMRs. Imagine compact, factory-made nuclear units that deliver clean, reliable energy with a smaller footprint than traditional reactors. Their NuScale Power Module, NPM, delivers 77 megawatts and is the only SMR design certified by the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission, NRC, today. They're not stopping there. Their newer VOYGR-4 and VOYGR-6 designs, scaling up to 308 MWE and 462 MWE, received NRC approval in May 2025. Plus, they're exploring applications like clean water production and hydrogen alongside power, a bit like making us an offer we can't refuse. Stock performance and market vibes. Let's talk numbers. NuScale's stock is up over 300% this year, a breakout story that's, Houston, we have liftoff. That said, August saw a 30% dip, showing the usual volatility that makes Wall Street say, "I'll be back," after volatility eases. Recently, there was a 5% one-day surge without any major news, leaving investors asking, where's the plot twist? Analyst sentiment is a mix. Canaccord Genuity lifted their price target to $44 buy. Bank of America remains neutral with target of $36. Simply Wall Street pegs fair value at $40.73, suggesting about a 20% upside, but warns that valuation may already be pricing in big success. Catalysts and caution flags. The NRC approval gives NuScale a head start in the SMR race, positioning it as a key player. Growing interest from tech giants and huge energy demand from AI data centers may boost long-term revenue. Q2 2025 results missed expectations. Revenue came in at $8 million versus $10.5 million forecast, and EPS missed too. They filed for a $500 million at the market equity offering, meaning more cash but also more risk of dilution. No large-scale commercial orders yet, and scaling up is expensive, as seen in past project cancellations. Final thoughts, Will of the Market check. So, is SMR worth watching? It's a nuclear-powered long play, high risk, potentially high reward. Think, this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship, but nobody's handed out a script guaranteeing box office numbers. If you believe the nuclear SMR sector is entering its Force Awakens moment, with energy security, AI, and clean power colliding, NuScale could gain ground. But if you're a cautious investor, remember the fundamentals aren't there yet. Watch for fresh commercial contracts, new NRC milestones and quarterly financials tightening the gap between hype and numbers. May the will of the market be with you. If you like this breakdown, hit subscribe and ring that bell. Next time, we dive even deeper. Until then, I'll be watching the market, as always.